see this fuel is a blend of waste tire oil. Basically, whatever the waste, particularly in tires, particularly they have a lot of problems outside, keeping the outside is getting a lot of problems. Same tires we are using a pyrolysis method, but vacuum pyrolysis method we are going to process it and we are going to get the oil. That oil will be using as a fuel for the diesel engines particularly. It's called commercial engine. That is my work. It's a very basic work. Now only now we are producing the oil and we are trying to get the engine to be run. That is the main concept of this. And this is very much useful to the society also. Whatever the waste is will be there, that waste will be going to utilize it. That is my work. And today we are going to present about the introduction, need of alternate fuels and objectives, fuel properties, experimental setup, engine specifications, results and discussion and conclusions. In this particularly we have the internal combustion engine, diesel engine plays a foremost role in field of the hauling of goods and passengers, agriculture industry, particularly in transportation. Diesel engines are very much useful and whatever the commodities we are using it and the rate, diesel are very important to us. Then they develop the power of consuming fossil fuels and turn out pollution. Among the different types of engines, the direct injection diesel engine exhibits the best fuel economy. Biodiesel is a good alternate fuel for a diesel engines. Biodiesels can be used in any standard diesel combustion ignition engines with low modifications and with almost the same performance any blend level from V1 to V100. This is the molecular similarities of the diesel. It is biodegradable, non-toxic and has low emissions problems, hence it is environmentally beneficial. The next we have what are the alternate fuels will be available in the world. World today is facing a pinch of rising energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions and global warming is also in the forefront of the critical issues. India is ranked 6th in the terms of energy demands, but its domestic crude oil production satisfies only 1/4 of our current demands. And conventional fuel includes fossil fuels, petroleum, coal and nuclear fuels such as uranium. Alternate fuels also known as the conventional fuels are any material or substance that can be used as a fuel other than the conventional fuels. Some well-known fuels, alternate fuels we are going to have. This is the biofuels and biodiesel, bioethanol, biogas and alga fuels. And electricity, CNG, because battery cars we are seeing nowadays, zero pollution and all, environmental friendly and all. And emulsified diesel fuels we are going to see with the mixing of other biofuels and other things. And the tire oil and plastic oil also, last time I presented the paper in the plastic oil also. By using of a pyrolysis process we are producing the waste plastic to the oil and that